In an age where innovation knows no bounds, the hybrid drone emerges as a revolutionary marvel in aerial technology. This advanced drone combines the best of two power sources, solar energy and conventional batteries, to achieve unmatched endurance and efficiency. Solar panels integrated into its design absorb sunlight during flight, allowing the drone to extend its operational time far beyond traditional models. Designed for versatility, the hybrid drone excels in delivering goods to remote or inaccessible locations and conducting aerial surveys over challenging terrains, such as dense forests, mountains, or vast deserts. Its lightweight frame and energy-efficient design reduce carbon emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice for industries and governments alike. Whether mapping uncharted territories, transporting emergency supplies to disaster-stricken areas, or performing precision agriculture tasks, the hybrid drone's adaptability and sustainability redefine what drones can achieve. This innovation isn't just a tool. It's a vision of the future where technology and environmental consciousness fly hand in hand.